Hi, this is Sam, and today we are going to be learning about the Notability app. This tutorial will teach you how to keep your homework organized by class, and you will learn how to use all of the tools available to make your notes personalized for you. When the Notability app is opened, you should see the dividers and subject on the left-hand side. The dividers are the gray bars that work like folders, and you should have one for each class. The subjects go underneath the dividers, and you can make one for notes and one for homework. This simple method can make your work organized and easy to find. When you open a new note, make sure to title it. Use keywords that will make it easy to find in the future. Before taking any notes, make sure to get organized. Tap the utility button to change the color and type of paper to whatever your preference is. If you are handwriting your notes, then click on the pencil icon to change the color and size of your writing. Use the magnifying glass tool in the bottom right corner to take notes. This allows you to write large, but your notes will come out looking small and organized on the document. When you need to underline something or draw a table, you can simply hold down your finger in one place before drawing the line. It will come out straight, and you won't have to worry about having messy notes or spending extra time on perfecting it. If you have any tech support questions or need to access settings, hit the utility button and select Help. When taking notes, you can select the button that looks like a plus sign to add pictures and figures. You can even draw your own figure that is personalized to the notes you are taking. This allows you to keep track of useful information and key points in a visual way, which will be helpful for studying and learning your material. If you want to change the order of the pages in your notes, click on the Pages icon in the top right corner. You can select the page you want to move by holding down on it and then dragging it to the desired area. If you are handwriting your own notes, you can use the scissors tool at the top of the page to cut, copy, and paste things from your notes. This saves time when you are taking notes in class, especially during a lecture. You can drag the selected parts of your notes to move them around the page to organize, and you can even copy-paste between different documents. The highlighter tool works well to mark important notes or key terms that might be good to study later. If you are in a lecture class and have a hard time taking notes, use the microphone icon at the top of the page to record the class. That way, if you miss anything while taking notes, you can go back to it at home or listen to the recording while you are studying. And if you make a mistake while writing your notes, you can use the undo button at the top of the page to get rid of your error. If you accidentally put your note in the wrong subject, don't worry. You can hold down on the note and drag it to the right category. And if you want to use your notes to study, but don't want to write all over your original copy, you can duplicate your notes by holding down on them. It will make a copy, which is indicated by the title. If you are having trouble finding a specific note, then try using the search bar at the top of the page. You can type in any keywords from the title of the note you need. That's why titling your notes is important. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful, and hopefully you are now a pro at using Notability. If you like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions, leave a comment or email us at bvstudenttech@gmail.com.